Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle animations in Alight Motion. First, open Alight Motion and create a new project. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. Select the shape option and choose the circle. Adjust its size and position on the canvas as desired. This forms the foundation for your animated element, setting the stage for movement and visual flair. Remember to choose a suitable background color for contrast. Now, let's bring your circle to life with movement. Select the circle layer and navigate to the Move and Transform tab. Use keyframes to define its starting and ending positions. For instance, place a keyframe at 0 seconds and another at 2 seconds. Adjust the circle's position at the second keyframe to create a smooth transition. Experiment with scaling by adding keyframes to the scale property, making your circle grow or shrink dynamically over a 3-second duration. Adding vibrant colors and engaging effects can truly enhance your animation. With the circle layer selected, go to the Color and Fill option. Choose a solid color or a gradient to give your circle a unique look. Next, explore the Effects tab. Try adding a Gaussian blur to soften its edges or a glow effect for a luminous appearance. Adjust the effect parameters to achieve your desired visual style, making your circle pop with a radius of 20 pixels. To refine your animation, consider using easing curves between keyframes for smoother, more natural motion. You can also duplicate your circle layer to create multiple animated elements, perhaps with varying sizes and colors. Once satisfied, tap the export icon, usually found in the top right corner. Choose your preferred video format and resolution, such as 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. Then, simply export your stunning circle animation to share with the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.